So now what we have done is we have taken a simple carcass, a base unit, a 720 height and 450 width and 560 depth. So now to put the drawer box and drawer fascia, now we should divide this zone. So we'll go to zone partition. We'll ensure that optimize zone is enabled so that we can divide into two equal halves. So we'll click anywhere on this carcass. So automatically it will divide into two equal halves. Now we'll come to the option called as drawer box. This icon, we click. We need to select the type of model drawer box we need. So we have various types. This model drawer and we have simple drawer. Now we also have structured drawer and just apply. Automatically we'll also get the drawer channels accordingly, and later part of video I'll also explain how to change the drawer channel. Now we will focus on how to change the depth of this drawer box. So to change the depth of the drawer box, click on this option, click on the particular drawer box you need to change. So initially it will be in standard case, so it will take the standard length according to the size of the cabinet. If you want to change, come to fixed, enter the value. So if you want 450, enter 450. Automatically it will change the size. Now again, if you want to change for this, there is the other method called as from back border. So if you enter the back margin 95, what will happen is you switch it to side view. 95 is nothing but the distance from the this side to this side. So this is 95. So this is the way you change the depth of the drawer box. So once you apply the drawer box, now it is a chance to apply the drawer fronts. So when you come here, so you can apply the drawer front by clicking on the zone. So initially when you're applying, what will happen is you will get the doors applied in this condition. You will not have the doors covering the side panels and top panel. So in that case, you should come to doors and zones, click on zone offset. So this is the way you put the drawer friends. Now again, now to have some tolerance. So when you switch it to front view, we can see there is, when you switch to top view, we can see there is no tolerance. Again, if you want tolerance, we can mention the tolerance here. So again, 1 mm tolerance, we can see 1 mm tolerance is considered. Again, for bottom, if we need to provide 1 mm tolerance, we can mention it here. So this way we can provide the tolerance so that we can, there is no wear and tear between the drawer friends. So this is how we put drawer box and drawer friends. And again, now to show the opening for the drawer box, here there is called as option called as opening. Here we should enter the value. I'll enter value as 60. So you can see it opens 60 mm. So again, if you want to open more, enter the bigger value. So this is just to show the opening of the drawer box for visual representation. So this is how we customize the drawer box and install the drawer friends. So now we'll further focus on how to insert the drawer boxes and change the shape and size of the drawer box. So to insert the drawer box, we must initially divide the zone. So I'll divide the zone into two equal parts. I'll click on drawer box, and if you want to adjust the shape for simple drawer channel, you can go to type. You can select the structured drawer type. So we can insert. So when you're inserting, we can notice it is considering the entire shape as a shear zone. There is no space for drawer channel. In that case, here we can enter the clearance. So generally the thickness of the drawer guide is 12.5 on each sides. It can be entered on from left and from right. So again, if you want the clearance from top and above, you can enter the value. So you can see we are getting the clearance on all sides. Same way, when you click on here, we'll get the same drawer box with same space. So this is how we provide the clearance for the drawer channel. And again, notice change the drawer box length. You can just scroll down, click on the particular zone. So initially it will be standard. So if you want to change the length of the drawer box, click on fixed, enter the value. So if you want to increase to 475, you can enter the value 475. Automatically, the length of the drawer box changes. So this is how we change the shape and size of the drawer box. And the same way, if you're going to create tandem box type of structure, I'll just show you how to create that too. Come to drawer box, go to simple drawer. In this case, we must leave the clearance of 69 on the both ends. And click here. So here, the tandem box setup will come the same way here. So this is the way we put the tandem box kind of drawer box. And again, usually as usual, we can put the drawer fascia by selecting the model. So in this case, I'll go with an external door and click on the zones. So this is how we change the drawer box size.